I'm Dr. Prashant Bhavanavar from Mudalgi, Belagavi, Karnataka state. I really would like to congratulate Dr. Samrat Jankar sir for a tremendous one-day workshop. Actually, for the amount of knowledge and experience he has, I think one day is not sufficient. He is very selfless. He pours out all his experience and words and doesn't hesitate in sharing his bad experiences. He wants us to learn from them. It was a truly memorable and enlightening experience. The fear about fistula surgeries has significantly reduced, and he motivates us to embark upon our new journey in handling fistula in cases. I really thank Dr. Samrat Jankar sir and Symbiosis University for organizing this event and having us here. Thank you very much.